Good morning, it's Saturday the 21st of April and we leave for South America, Rio De Janeiro tonight at 6:10. It's 10 to 9 at the minute in the morning. We're in Cape Town and it's super foggy today. You cannot see anything. So I've just got up, just waiting to jump in the shower. Everything's pretty much packed, just all the little things. We're just going to hang around for the day before we get on a flight. Hannah gets on her flight heaps after us, so we will check in with her later because she should be vlogging. We are off. We are on our way in the Uber to go to the airport. It's only like 12:30, but Mum and Dad have got their flight at 4, so we have to hang around for the next 6 hours. So I'm excited. Let's go. So we're in the airport. You won't be able to see it, but we're like all the way down here. It is at 6:05. Mother and father are leaving at 3 or something. 4. So we're just gonna hang around for the next 6 hours, 5 hours, which will be fun. More in the country, it does got all the things on. We haven't got long, we have half an hour until we can board our flight. We've just eaten and then we've got 24 solid hours of flying, so that should be fun.
I'm at Adelaide Airport. About to head on my flight. Where is my ticket? Oh, it's up there. So we're going Adelaide, Auckland, then Auckland to Buenos Aires to Rio. So here's my first coffee, down. Oh, delicious. I bought this really cool snazzy, it's like a luggage leash. It's got a GPS tracker on it. So we'll put that on my bag, and then, you know, if someone decides to steal it, I can go try and find them, you know. I look like an absolute dag mess, but I guess no one cares, except for you guys. Hopefully someone's watching this, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm all good at this point. Flight 1. We'll check in back in Auckland. Getting on my flight to Rio de Janeiro. Here we go. Whoop.
On to the next. You're here? You're here? She's here? Guys. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Hi there.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Hi. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Buzzing, ready to go out?
No.
We're in Brazil. How do you feel? I felt like this is the end of the vlog.
Oh mate, I didn't know if I was going to make it.
Let's go!